Have you ever contemplated the captivating power of aromas in fostering inner peace and serenity? Aromatherapy for inner peace and serenity isn't just about pleasant scents, it's an exploration of how the art of aromatherapy can be a transformative journey towards tranquility, emotional balance, and a profound sense of inner calm. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can inhaling the right fragrances become a catalyst for a life filled with serenity and inner peace? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of aromatherapy and its profound impact on your emotional well-being. Aromatherapy, the use of essential oils and fragrances, is a centuries-old practice that taps into the intricate connection between our sense of smell and emotions. Scents can evoke memories, emotions, and have a direct influence on your mood and mindset. The heart of aromatherapy for inner peace lies in the use of specific essential oils. Lavender, known for its calming properties, can promote relaxation and reduce stress and anxiety. Citrus scents, like lemon and bergamot, can uplift your spirits and instill a sense of positivity. Aromatherapy is often paired with relaxation techniques, such as massage or meditation. The combination of soothing scents and mindfulness practices enhances the overall experience, creating a deeper sense of inner peace and serenity. Scents are deeply connected to memory and emotion. Aromatherapy can trigger positive memories and emotions, creating a sense of nostalgia and comfort. This emotional connection can lead to a heightened sense of inner peace and happiness. Aromatherapy can be a valuable tool for stress management. Inhaling calming scents during stressful situations can act as a coping mechanism, helping you maintain emotional equilibrium and a sense of serenity. The practice of aromatherapy extends beyond the individual and into the home environment. By incorporating soothing scents into your living space, you create an atmosphere of relaxation and tranquility, benefiting both you and your loved ones. Moreover, aromatherapy is a form of self-care and self-love. Taking the time to nurture your senses with fragrances that promote inner peace is a reminder that you deserve moments of calm and serenity. This self-nurturing is an affirmation of self-worth and emotional well-being. In conclusion, aromatherapy for inner peace and serenity is an invitation to explore the profound impact of aromatherapy on emotional balance and a sense of inner calm. It's a reminder that peace and serenity can be found in the fragrances that surround you, by embracing soothing scents and incorporating them into your life. Aromatherapy has the power to transform your emotional state, promote relaxation, and create an enduring sense of tranquility. So, with each inhale of a calming fragrance, envision it as an opportunity to experience inner peace and serenity, fostering emotional well-being and a profound sense of calm, one soothing aroma at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.